up there in the grove.
How's it drive?
Well, I didn't go up there for nothing.
Yeah.
Shit, I went to re-up on everything.
Nice.
Came back on a couple of things and stuff, so my whole house fucking stinks. I brought you a couple little nugs like that, and then I put them in a bag, like a little fucking nice Mylar bag with a fucking thing. My car reeks, dude. I was gonna bring it to the shop, but I know this fucking faggot's over here, crybaby, so. We'll take a walk in a little bit.
Cool.
This piece of shit came back. This is the one with the rear main seal, but it doesn't look like oil. So I'm because Robert cleaned the bell housing with WD-40 and some. I'm hoping it's that, but if not, man, I think it might be trans. Is that a thing?
Huh?
Is that a thing for these front seals too on the trans?
I haven't come across one.
No. Yeah, neither have I.
Usually it's the fittings for the trans cooler lines.
But this is in the bell housing.